It is started now. So what we have to do, first we have to add two matrices of 10 cross 1. You can take any value. Then you have to ask for the plot option, like you want to plot yes or no. If it is yes, then there should be a plot, and otherwise no. So you have to complete this coding in 10 minutes. Is it clear to everyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please repeat your question.
First thing, you have to add two matrices. Okay. Uh,
Okay, sir.
Generate two row matrices of 10 cross 1. You can take random values. Then you have to ask for the plot. Uh, we have used menu function for that. Okay. Then if it is S, then you have to plot the result. And if it is no, then there will be no plot. Is it clear to everyone now?
No, sir.
see that how
So please raise your hands if you have completed the code. Alok Kumar.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I joined late. What was the question which we had to do?
One second. Alok Kumar,
Yes, sir.
what was the question?
So we have to input two matrices and add them. If they are adding, then we have to plot a graph.
You have to add them, then you have to ask for plotting. If yes, then you have to plot, otherwise not.
Sir, sir, after adding, what we have to do, sir?
You have to ask for plot.
Plot, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, Sir, if result is coming like A and B we have given, and after result C is like 13, 14, 15, then sir, how it will be plotted, sir, without two values?
Uh, a single row matrix can be plotted, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
So Alok, Alok Kumar,
Yes, sir.
you have done that.
Sir, I have give a try.
And what is the issue you are facing?
Sir, is it visual?
Yes. Alok,
Yes, sir.
there must be a line. You have to ask that for options like, yeah, I have to plot or not.
Oh, sir, means I have to enter a menu section.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I will do it back.
Sumit Pandey,
Yes, sir.
please share your screen.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes. So A equal to 1 to 10, B equal to 1 to 10, C equal to A plus B. Could you please show me the plot C?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to insert here a line at the fourth line,
Yes, sir.
and you have to ask here for the options of plot.
Sir, what kind of options means?
Like, do you want to plot or not?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay. Should I close the sharing?
This is
Thank you.
Yashwardhan Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Please share the screen.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
So Yashwardhan,
Yes, sir.
you have to ask here for options. No?
Okay, sir.
Okay, do it fast.
Sir, should I show once my coding so that you can check is it correct or not?
Yes, please.
Sir, is it visible? Sir, is it
Yes.
visible, sir? Sir, this one, sir, is it correct?
Yes,
This
yes.
much.
Run the code.
Okay, sir.
Do it again.
What's it?
Rerun the code.
Or no?
No, yes.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Arun Kumar sir.
Sir, actually, I'm facing some hardware issue, sir. I'm not able to perform any task. Hello, sir.
Okay. Amit Kumar.
Yes, sir. Audible?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Please share screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Plot. What would I give the condition? Yes. Hello, sir.
Yes. Bhagat,
Yes, sir.
rerun your code.
Yes, sir. Actually, it's showing error. Okay, okay. No.
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So everyone, please finish this work in next 5 minutes.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Yes, yes, please.
sir. Can you repeat what is the task?
Abhay Kumar,
Yes, sir.
please repeat the question.
Uh, take two input, two matrix, and add it and plot depending upon the user preference. If yes, then plot it. If no, then leave it. Okay.
Sudhir Kumar,
Yes, sir.
please share the screen.
सर ये जो एफए वाला है ये एफओबी सीआईएफ ये एफओबी का मतलब फ्रैक्शन वैल्यूज जैसे मान आए वो कैसे आए उस पे क्या
हम लोग ने कुछ मांगा मैं एफओ वाले लेते हैं ना कैटेगरी पूछा
हाँ सर
कैटेगरी किस चीज की है कैटेगरी एक्चुअली कैटेगरी में सब क्या भी इक्विपमेंट डाल देते वो अपना समझेंगे नई की जगह कैटेगरी क्या भी इक्विपमेंट डाल देते कैटेगरी
Hello.
कहना होगा कि कोई एक कोड
Yes, it's visible now.
तो वो आजकल आया है जो जीएसटी जब से लॉन्च हुआ सिर्फ एचएसएम कोड आता है वो कैटेगरी
These
अभी आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट डाल रहे हैं सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट की तो है इंस्ट्रूमेंट डाल रहे हैं
इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नेम या बस इंस्ट्रूमेंट
इंस्ट्रूमेंट
Sudhir,
any
Hi.
suppose I don't want to see line here in the plot. I want to see some points or stars. So what you have to change in this code?
try to write some any point.
लैब डाल दी सबने
Right here.
Voice is coming.
I'm asking that. I don't want to see line in this plot. Okay.
हालांकि वो भी लैब कैटलेन नहीं रखता
I want to see some dots or stars here.
क्या मतलब तू क्या रूम नंबर डाला
So what did you change in this code?
लोकेशन आप तो टू के नीचे ब्रैकेट में जीआईएस लैब डाल देंगे सब जगह और जहाँ खाली कैट है वहाँ कैटलेन डाल देंगे ठीक है
So what would you change?
कहाँ पे सीरियल नंबर वैसे है डाल सकते हैं,
हाँ, मैं जोड़ना है।
एक का डाल देंगे किसी
जैसे
हाँ
फंडिंग एजेंसी प्राइवेट
सबने सही डाला आपने एनी डाला है आपने ना इंटरनल डाल दीजिए सब जगह इंटरनल लिख दीजिए एनी की जगह इंटरनल ठीक है जो फंडिंग नहीं है तो फंडिंग इंटरनल ठीक है हाँ मेरे हिसाब से सही दिख रहा है अमाउंट ऑफ नोटिस देख
not like that.
वही बस चेंज कर दिया लोकेशन GISL लैब 2 के नीचे ब्रैकेट में GISL लैब चल रहा है नीचे कैड लैब कर दीजिए यहाँ फंडिंग इंटरनल
Is there anyone who has installed MATLAB in this system?
हाँ हेलो हाँ बताएं
Yes, sir.
Please share your screen.
So, so we can style our graph actually. Like we can show it by solid, dash, dotted, none.
Yes, there are the options. I want to see that in the code.
It is on when we click on our graph, the tab bigger. Then we go to line style.
Yes, that line style, I want that in the code.
Okay.
In the previous class, I have told that. That's why I'm asking.
Yes, sir. Asterisk 1, na, sir?
Yes. Please share your screen.
आप देखिए हम लोग का अमाउंट तो कम है 25 के अंदर 25 विद इन 25 तो हम लोग 3 कोटेशन पे काम कर सकते हैं
Please share your screen.
Hello, sir.
Please show your code.
So this change I have made. Plot C, comma, semicolon, star to represent our graph in star format.
Suppose you have to change its color then.
Sir, hello.
Yes, I want to change its color, the color of asterisk. In your code, before asterisk, place R.
सर यहाँ सर आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
One second. Before asterisk, you have to place R. Means write R, then asterisk.
तो वो आप लोग उसमें आप आपसे बात करें हमें मिनिमम 3 कोटेशन चाहिए होती है उस वाले मतलब we cannot open double and single quotation minimum 3 चाहिए for limited but the process is fast but for single opening process is very long it will take little time
हेलो डिस्प्ले हो रहा है एक विंडो और खुली हुई मैट लैब के नीचे चेक करो
और दूसरी चीज मुझे रेट्स ओपननेस हम देख रूम ओपन कर रहे हैं
Hello.
Yes.
This is your have
If you have given this freedom of 10 to 20%, वो मैनेजर आपका लिए कैसे और हमें 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 एक कोटेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिसके बेसिस पे हम अमाउंट ना करेंगे मतलब हम how do we know
Is it running?
अमाउंट आ रहा है तो वो एक हमें लेटेस्ट कोटेशन प्रोवाइड कर देंगे जिसके बेसिस पे हम करेंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको मेरी डिटेल शेयर कर देंगे आगे से जो भी कम्युनिकेशन होगा वो मेरे नाम पे ही होगा
Alok,
yes sir.
you have to sit, just write plot here in such documentation in right upper corner.
ये जो स्पेक्स एक्चुअली हम डालेंगे ना अपने कोटेशन में वही वो टेंडर में कोड में तो वो स्पेक्स मैच करनी चाहिए उसको एक बार वेरीफाई कर लेंगे अमाउंट एक जो आप एस्टिमेट में देंगे वो वेरीफाई हो जाएगा तो हम उसको बढ़ा देंगे
Or do one thing.
ताकि ये टेंडर पर ओपन once the tender is open and L1 will be सिंगल को देने में ज्यादा झंझट है तीन आ जाएंगे तो आसान हाँ बस फिर बाकी स्टूडेंट्स आपके टच में मैं इस वीक लेटर नोट कर दूंगा तो स्पेक्स अमाउंट दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेंडर नेम तो वही हम डालेंगे जो 6 को मिलेगा और कमेटी हमारी इतनी तैयार है वो भी पता है क्या बनानी है ठीक है तो स्पेक्स और अमाउंट भी बता देंगे और जो एक कोड आपको भेजना होगा वो आप मुझे ईमेल पे फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिएगा आई शेयर माय ईमेल थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स
Alok.
हेलो
Yes, Alok.
सर आपकी आवाज में आप क्लियरेंस नहीं आ रहा है से बहुत डिस्टर्ब
एक सेकंड मैं रिज्वाइन करता हूँ नाम में सर का नाम नहीं आ गए नाम में इंक्लूड हो गया नेम में इंक्लूड कर दिया था यस हेलो आई एम ऑडिबल एडिट कर सकते हैं
यस सर
Alok, in your command window, type help space plot. You can write in your command window also. At that place in the search documentation, you have to write function name only. It is plot. But from command window, you can call for help. You can write here help space plot. Here means documentation of the plot will be displayed. You can see in how many ways you can write. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see for colors. For colors, there are some defined numbers. You have to use that matrix and you will plot them.
अगस्त सितंबर 2 ही तो बचे, अक्टूबर में तो मिलेगी नहीं।
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So everyone, now please do one more thing. Uh, in each code, I have seen that you were writing a equal to 1 to 10, or you were defining numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So at that place, you have to use random numbers now. So write one code using the random number also. And the function was rand, R, A, and D. Abhijit Sonkar.
Yes, sir.
Is your screen? Show your code.
Sir, doing.
Abhijit.
Hello.
Yes, yes. You have written only 3 lines. Tell me, what was the question?
Sir, we have to plot two matrices against each other.
Against each other. Parul,
Yes, sir.
what was the question?
Sir, sir, we have to create a random number matrix.
Then,
So, then
Parul,
yes, sir.
repeat the question.
Sir, we have to generate a to random matrix, then summation करना था.
Then,
फिर से plot कर देते हैं.
and you have to ask for the options.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Abhijit,
Yes, sir.
please let me know what you are doing.
सर पता नहीं कैसे करेंगे।
Bhagat Kumar,
Yes, sir.
please share your screen.
Okay, sir.
And Abhijit, please note down the code.
I created two matrix of order 5 into 5. Displayed it A1, A2. Summed it and stored it in C. Ask the user to choose if you want to plot yes or no. If the condition is true, then I will plot it and
Bhagat,
yes, sir.
I had asked for one means row matrix, na? So you have to write ran in bracket 1 comma 5.
Okay. So actually, how yes, sir.
Okay, so Abhijit, please note down this code.
Can I close the window now?
Abhijit, have you noted that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever task is assigned to you, you have to do that. Okay, you have not to sit only and see. And after 5 minutes, I will start the demonstration. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, what problem is there, sir? I'm showing you.
Okay, please share screen.
Sir, when I'm giving it 1 comma 5 and I'm writing it for integers, then it is giving just only one value, that is 222. Suppose I'm changing this uh, from 1 to 3, then it is giving random values. Sir, why it is fixing at 2 for when I'm writing it 1 over here?
In your command window, write no, not right. In such documentation, write RANDI.
Uh-huh. Sir, I could not understand. Please, one more time you can say.
In your command window,
Yes, sir.
write the same thing, RANDI in bracket 1 comma 5.
Sir, enter.
Yes.
Sir, then
Version it is?
what,
Mac
sir?
221B. Let me check. Actually, you are writing RANDI 1 comma 5. Yes. Yeah.
Sir, only one thing is coming at that time. When I'm running it, only 2222 is coming.
Okay, so when you are writing RANDI 1 comma 5, why it is generating 5 plus 5 hundreds?
Sir, I could not hear you, sir.
I'm saying you are giving the size 1 comma 5. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then it should not show you 5 cross 5.
Yes, sir. One thing is this, and second thing is why it is showing only one kind of integer, that is 2.
That we have to see. But let me check mine. The mine one is it is 2013 version, and when I'm writing RANDI 1 comma 5, which is giving me just a moment.
Sir, what is it giving?
One com one second. It is giving values. Why is missing? Every time they are giving 5 plus 5.
Yes, sir. This is not only the problem, sir. Here in workspace, it is also showing that it is 5 cross 5 here, and I have mentioned it to be 1 comma 5. Maybe,
In
sir.
1 comma 5, you are getting 1 value, no?
No, sir. That is 222. Yes, sir. You're right. Sir. 1 because that then only result is coming 1 plus 1, that equals to 2.
Its definition, I think its definition is like that. The first value is the maximum integer value. Okay. So
Okay.
the last one is the size of the square matrix. So they are
Means, sir, if
checking for 5 cross
uh,
5, and the
yes,
maximum
sir.
integer value is 5. Suppose you are writing RANDI 5 comma 5.
Yes, sir.
In your command window, write RANDI in bracket 100 comma 5.
What, sir? How much, sir? R&D in bracket?
100 comma 5.
This.
So all values are below 100
Okay.
or maximum 100. So write here one thing, help space RANDI.
Okay, sir.
Now read the description. First or second line.
Sir, at the top line, sir.
First value is the I max, integer max.
Okay, sir. And sir, n returns an n by n matrix containing pseudo random. Okay, sir.
The one thing is that whenever you are doing something, just first look about its documentation. So that will make you clear what you will be printing.
Sir, it means this situation is just only for integer type only.
Random integers.
Yes, sir. Random integer type only.
Yes. I is for integer. If you are removing I, then it will be random values.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now is it clear to everyone?
Should I stop sharing my screen, sir?
Yes, please. So we have made a video, but it is not means the all videos are not here. But I am showing you some of them. Is my screen visible? Okay, screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Please let me know that you are getting that voice of the video or not.
No, sir.
Okay. So I'm telling you that.
The very slow voice, a little bit it was coming.
One step. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me if voice is coming. No. Voice is coming or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, you can share the video in the chat.
But that will take time.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, I'm explaining you. So here I was just telling ki we will give a demonstration, and so this is the tripod, and this is the bipod that we will use for to make the prism stand. This is measuring tape, and this is the prism, and this is the prism rod over which we have to place the prism. Okay, and this is the total station. You can see here there was some problem in opening that. So this is your Timbal 3 total station. You have to be very careful when you are using that. Okay. And so this is the tip. And where this one is 2-1. So now okay. So first of all, we have to make a session point. So first of all, we have to make a control point, means a station point over which we have to place our station, total station. Okay. So first on the ground, we have to mark that. So here I'm just making a rough point. The corners, the center point should be very clear. Okay. So once it is done, what you have to do, you have to take your tripod and you have to place over there. So you can adjust the height of the tripod, because if your height is you are short or long, then on the basis of that you can manage the height of the tripod, because you have to bend yourself when you are using the total station. So in this way you can unlock the legs of the tripod and you can manage its height. So once the height is according to you, you can open its legs and you can place over that point. As we are doing it manually, so manually you have to try your best to put the tripod and put it level over that point. After that, once you place the total station over it, then you can do it very easily. So to check its leveling manually, you can use your pen also. You will put your pen over there, then it will be deflecting from the mean position. So you can see it very easily. And there is a clamp which we have which will be used to make the total station fit, means tight over there. So after that you have to take your total station and you have to put over there. So now we have put total station over there on the tripod. So you can see this is the telescope, that was the carrying handle, and these are the horizontal, this is the battery box where we have to place the battery, and we have make it horizontally free. This is the eyepiece from where we will focus on the prism, and this is a screen, keyboard, and this is the try badge, and these are the leveling screw that we will use for leveling the instrument. This is the clamp which using which we can lock it horizontally, means we can lock the instrument horizontally, and this is the vertical lock, this one. If we fix it, then it will not move. Okay, once it is over there, what we have to do, we have to look for centering, means is the instrument is just over that station point or instrument point. You have to check that. If it is not, then you have to manage with the legs of the tripod, you have to manage with the leveling screw. All things will be used then for centering of the instrument. So at this time I am trying to center it, because the distance was very much between the station, instrument point and the total station. So that's why I was managing with that. To check the leveling of the instrument, we can see there are some bubbles. At this corner, you can see some water bubble. And this is the lens from where we can see the station is over the instrument point or not. Means we are checking centering. It may take you 2 minutes, it may take you 20 minutes also in centering and leveling. So this is the water bubble. So one is in try batch, one is in total session. Because whenever you are taking your observation, your system must be level. So this is a very critical thing in your instrumentation setup. You may need to manage the legs of the tripod. You may need to manage the leveling screw, so that your instrument should be well centered and well leveled. So once leveling is done and centering is done, then you have to fix your system and not to anyhow you have to avoid shaking it. Otherwise your instrument leveling and centering will be disturbed. This is how we use the leveling screw. You can see I am using 2 at a time. Now you can see the water bubble is in the circle. It means that now it is in the tolerance level. Now your system is leveled. So means leveling is the sorry. And centering is now. We are switching on the instrument as batteries are already there. So you have to click on this green button. Now instrument will start. The software which we use is the Trimble Access software. It is not coming very clearly. So the first option is the general survey, which we will be using for creating the jobs and taking our observations. So you have to click on survey, then the option of jobs, then in jobs you have to click on new job, and you have to give the name of your job, like I have given here demo. You have to decide the properties of your job, like coordinate system, units. You can see here scale 1.00, units in meters. So these things means these settings you have to do. So these things we can say the initial setup of the instrument. You can say initial station setup. Once job is created, then you have to consider two things. The first step is instrument setup. Second thing is the coordinate setup, local coordinate system setup. So what we will do in that, we will provide the location of that point over which we have placed our instrument, like which I was calling instrument point, or you can say station point. Once it is given, then you need a direction. What is the direction of the 0 degree in horizontal? You can say northing also. So it depends on you, because the coordinate system is it is local coordinate system, so direction will not be matter. Okay, so because you are defining it. So two things are there: the details of, or you can say the location of your instrument point, first thing. Second thing is the backside direction. So you have to backside your system. It means you are placing a system on the ground anywhere. Okay, now you will tell that system, this is the point and your coordinates are x, y, z. This is the first thing. Second thing, you have to tell your system like how you will measure the angle. Suppose I say in your left it is 0 degree in the horizontal. So now if it is decided that line is fixed, 0 degree line is fixed, then you can measure any angle in the horizontal. Okay, so for that purpose we have to go for backside. You have to look back. That's why they're calling backside. You are looking somewhere back and means fixing your angle. So in a survey purpose, when you are working, means you are generating a topography, then in that case you will use backside as defining the direction of your 0 degree horizontal angle. This is the option of electronic label in this in the timbal instruments, which will show you the labeling of the instrument electronically. If it is out of the tolerance level, then it will be red. You can see in this video it is green. It means labeling is okay with the system. There were some data collection videos also, but it is not here. So I will show you in the next class. Okay. You can see the total station in the video also. So this is the total station. In the video it was not clear, so I am showing you again. So this is the carrying handle. Video is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Alok.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Alok, is the video clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the gimbal empty station. This is the carrying handle, and this is the stylus, using which you will control this instrument. And this is the telescope. You can see this is the eyepiece from where you will focus on the prism or anything. This is the focusing, and this is the telescope. This is the battery box. You can see the batteries here, and here you can take the data. The ports are there. This is the screen, and these are the buttons you will use for switching on the instrument or giving some input in letters or numbers. And this is the lens, from where you will see like your instrument is centered or not, means centering is done or not. These are the, what's that? This is the water bubble, which you have seen in the video. And this setup, this black one, we call it as a tri batch. On the tri batch, this solar station is fixed. And these are the leveling screw. We can rotate it. So this was the very short demonstration of the total station. If you are having any question or any doubt, please let me know. Is everything clear? Sumit,
Yes, sir.
is everything clear?
Yes, sir. Till here it is clear, sir.
Okay. We had done data collection also, but that video is not here. Maybe in next class I will show that. And in the meantime, please work on MATLAB so that if at any stage of your research work in masters, if there is a need of calculation or complex calculation, that will be good for you. Sudhir Kumar?
Sir.
How to read an image in the MATLAB?
In a array, sir, we have to define an array x and y.
What is the function that we use in MATLAB for reading an image?
Sir, that much I'm not comfortable with the MATLAB, sir. I use ADA, sir.
Whatever I have taught you, means is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, that much clear.
So this is the basic, and everything is basic in MATLAB, not advanced. Okay, you have to just keep trying.
Okay.
Now please search and let me know what is the function that we use in MATLAB to read an image.
Okay.
You have 2 minutes.
I am read.
I am read.
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
In bracket file name.
Please share your screen.
Hello, sir. Is it visible?
Not yet. In the meantime, Bhagat.
Yes, sir.
Let me know how to play an audio using MATLAB.
Okay, sir.
Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it visible?
No.
Sir, I have shared.
Try it again.
So is it visible?
Yes.
Sir,
So
in
try
this
to read an image. Try to read an image. Which
sir,
image you are trying?
No, sir, I was only showing the command, matlab, function.
Okay, everyone, please try to use this im read function. In the same way, you can get im write function also. You can create any image, you can write it. You can make a JPG or PNG, any type of image. So try these functions. Bhagat, did you get that?
Not yet, sir.
Search for audio read.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, can I stop sharing?
Yes. One YouTube channel is there. It is surveying with robots. Okay. So it is surveying with it is Robert, surveying with Robert. So it is a YouTube channel, and he has made many videos on surveying using advanced instruments. So if you are interested, you can search there and you can see many videos.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how to locate the audio? Or can we change the path? It's like audio. So there is a command audio read, and have to give a name of the audio.
You have to give audio function, your audio file.
So I don't have any audio file, but how to locate the audio file from this path? What is the default path to read the audio?
You can take, you can copy the path. Okay. You can copy the path and file name.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
can we use URLs?
Sorry.
Will it take URL?
Audio read.
Yes, sir. From internet.
No. I have not used that. We have to explore that. Like means you are saying that from an URL you have to take audio and play here.
Yes, sir.
No, I have not done that, but we can see. Okay then. So explore these two functions, audio read and IM read. So once you are searching about IM read, you will get IM write also. So means if you are changing between something about images in images, then you can plot it. You can see how it is looking. So in today class, we have done some very basic things in MATLAB, and you have I have given a demonstration on total station, but it has taken too much of time. That was not expected. So in the next class, I will see for the videos. If they are, then I will show you the data collection using total station. And if it is not, then we will continue our MATLAB and we will look forward towards the second practical. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Using play function, I think we can play audio in MATLAB.
Using audio player. Means there are three functions. I was also looking for that. So from audio read, you will read. From audio player, you will make it ready, and using play, you will play it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So explore these things, and now we'll meet in the next class. So the class is over now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.